my name is Harsh Mendra and you're watching HM Reviews, and today I'm going to review Just Mercy.
All need mercy.
Just Mercy is a film directed by Daniel Cretton and is set in the 1980s of America, focusing on aspects of how white population was regressive and racial injustice was committed against the black community. Coming to the plot of the film, this film is based on the life of Brian Stevenson, who is a black Harvard lawyer and decides to defend people, irrespective of their race, who are wrongly accused of crimes and are sentenced to death. Brian shifts to a radical town of Alabama where he starts Equal Justice Initiative. There he meets Walter McMillan, who is wrongly accused of the murder of an 18-year-old white girl and decides to defend him, even though all the facts prove that he is innocent. The story starts to unravel and shows how white people misuse power to make sure that Walter is executed, and Brian himself faces a lot of threats and racial discrimination, but he makes sure he is strong and he gets justice for his clients. This film casts some of the top talents: Michael B. Jordan, Jamie Foxx, Brie Larson, Tim Blake Nelson, and has a very good supporting cast. Coming to the other aspects of the film, I think Hollywood has found the right formula of music, cinematography, costume, and production design. And this film also has the right formula of these aspects. There are three aspects of the film that just steal the heart for me: the direction, the screenplay, and its acting. Jamie Foxx and Michael B. Jordan are phenomenal on screen. Jamie Foxx, each and every time when he comes on screen, you will be awed by his performance. He's so good. He's so fucking good. This film may sound like just another courtroom drama for you with a happy ending, but trust me, the direction and screenplay does not prove so. The tempo and tension which the direction creates is very good. The silence, the treatment. You can watch this film in YouTube or Google Play for 150 rupees. And I'm gonna rate this film 4 out of 5 stars. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And here is my favorite dialogue for the film for you all. We can't change the world with only ideas in our mind. We need conviction in our hearts. This man taught me to stay hopeful because I know that hopelessness is the enemy of justice. Hope allows us to push forward even when the truth is distorted by the people in power. It allows us to stand up when they tell us to sit down, and to speak when they say, be quiet.